I'm Chris Kerfoot and I've been running my own business for 30 years, Chris Kerfoot Painter and Decorator. Today we're going to mask this up, prep it, ready for spraying. We're going to mist coat the ceilings, mist coat the walls, have it all masked up and keep it nice and clean, ready for when we come back to do the final coats. So the first step is we're going to mask the window. We've pre-cleaned them to get the plaster residue off so we can get a good strong adhesion with the precision tape, and we can leave it on for a good 6 months because it's UV resistant, and when we pull it off there'll be no residue. And then we go around with the tape and drape, drop it over the window, and we get a good decent protection on the window. So now we're fully masked and protected. Anything we don't want to get paint on, we're just going to crack on and get sprayed out with the contract emulsion. The key to getting a quality finish is taking your time, prepare the job and using a quality product for super sharp lines.